Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how I make these favour bags. They're super simple, they're actually just made from card, so all you need is scissors, glue and of course the printable. I'm using two designs from my Peter Rabbit collection, but as always there is a free printable down below, so click the link and let's get crafting. For today's tutorial you will need scissors, a ruler and glue. And of course the printable. I have printed mine on my home printer using 220 GSM white card. I find that a great thickness to hold the bag shape, but thin enough to go through my printer with no problems. So the first thing to do is to cut out the template. On the design there are thin lines for all the edges of the bag. They don't show up very well on the video, but are easy enough to see on the actual printout. You want to take your ruler and carefully line it up against the first line. Using your hands, gently fold up the printout and score along the line. Alternatively, if you find that a little fiddly, you can score along the line very lightly with the blunt edge of the scissors. You then want to fold the paper up and crease along the line. Repeat this for every line on the printout. Then you want to gently fold all the lines back on themselves. If any of them are difficult to fold, just use the ruler and scissors again to redo the scoring. Now we are going to score in the middle line, which will give the printout that bag shape later. Starting on the thin side parts of the printout, you want to gently score in the middle of the face from the bottom of the design 3/4 of the way up to the top. You can gently fold these now, but not too hard. Now it's time to glue. I use roller tape glue as I find it really easy and precise to apply, but any paper glue would work. First, apply glue along the thin side edge of the printable. And then glue that to the other edge of the printable. I like to use a ruler too on the inside just to gently press the two sides together and help them really stick. Once that is done, apply glue to the bottom flaps of the side of the box. Fold them into the box. Then apply glue to the inside of the front flap. You then want to fold down the back flap and then the front one. Gently press to stick them together, and again I use a ruler to press the paper and glue together. Now, gently fold in the side parts where we lightly scored and folded earlier. And now it's time to fill the bag with sweets. To close the bag there are a few options. You can use glue, or I like to use a small peg. The best thing about using a peg is that it makes the bag easily resealable. Another option you have is using a sticky dot. I buy these from my local craft store, and the awesome thing about these is they're very small, but they are super sticky. And there you have it. Now all that's left to do is to open them up and eat all the sweets. Do you want 5 free papercraft printables? If you do, then head over to cherrypinkprints.co.uk and sign up to the mailing list. The link is below.